Today, I got called to a house where the owner said something I'd never heard before. He looked at me and said, "Whatever you do, don't drain the pool." I asked him why. He just smiled and walked back inside. No explanation, nothing. The second I walked into the backyard, I understood why he sounded so nervous. The pool was one of the worst I'd ever seen. The water wasn't green. It wasn't brown. It was normal, but a lot of sand and mud on the bottom. It looked more like an abandoned swamp than a swimming pool. At first, I thought it was just months of neglect, but then I noticed something strange. The pump was running. The timer was working. The system wasn't broken. Someone had actually been trying to keep this pool alive. That made no sense. If the equipment was running, how did the water get this bad? I opened the skimmer lid, completely packed with leaves. Then I checked the pump basket. Same thing. The entire circulation system was practically choking, and that's when I realized this wasn't going to be a normal cleanup. Something inside this pool was causing a much bigger problem than anyone expected. I started cleaning the way I always do. First, I cleared the surface. Then I pulled out the skimmer basket. It was so full of wet leaves and sludge that the water could barely move through it. After that, I shut the system down and opened the filter. The pressure inside was way too high. The cartridges were completely covered in dirt. Honestly, I'm surprised the pump was still running. Once I cleaned everything and turned the system back on, I expected the water to start clearing almost immediately. But it didn't. Instead, the pool got even darker. Every pass with the vacuum pulled another cloud of black silt off the floor. It looked like smoke underwater. For a second, I actually understood why the owner told me not to drain the pool. This wasn't just dirty water. There was years of debris sitting on the bottom, and disturbing it all at once would only make things worse. So I slowed everything down, one section at a time, one careful pass after another. Then, for the first time all day, I saw something, the outline of the first step. It was only a few inches, but that was all I needed, because once you can see the first step, you know the rest of the pool is finally starting to come back. About an hour later, everything started changing. The dusk water slowly turned normal, then green became cloudy blue. With every pass of the vacuum, more of the pool floor appeared. It almost looked like someone was turning the lights back on underwater. By the time I finished cleaning the filter one last time, I could finally see the deep end. That's the moment every pool guy waits for, because once you can see the main drain, you know you've beaten it. When the homeowner walked outside, he stopped halfway across the patio. He looked at the pool, stopped his look back at me, and said, "There's no way this is the same water." I just smiled, because people think cleaning a pool is about adding chemicals. The truth is, it's about patience, knowing exactly what to do and knowing what not to do. A few hours earlier, this pool looked completely beyond saving. Now, you'd never believe it was the same backyard, but I want to know what you think. If you walked outside and saw your pool looking like this, would you try to fix it yourself or would you call a professional? Let me know in the comments.